In today's video, we're going to talk about why I personally switched to fiber, my experience before and after, and why you might want to switch to fiber as well. So I came from your traditional connection, and while it was fine, I noticed there were some problems because of my line of work. So I upload a lot of files to the internet. It's very intensive on uploading files, and as things are progressing more and more and things are getting higher quality, like you might notice it with some of your files for work, some videos, things like that, it takes more time. And that was the biggest thing that I personally was noticing in a struggle I was running into. So when I was going to do something for work and I was uploading a file, something was taking an hour and a half and I couldn't upload anything else during that time. So it was essentially something that should have taken a short amount of time, and it was taking multiple hours, which was killing the amount of things I could get done during my workday. I figured out that I needed to make a switch, which is where I found fiber because it's got symmetrical speeds. It just means what you download is also what you're going to upload, which is extremely important for the situation I talked about earlier, where I was constantly waiting for things to upload. If you work from home, if you're a gamer, if you do content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, maybe you just like watching a lot of movies, YouTube, Netflix, anything along those lines, you're going to notice a difference because that's what I did, right? I noticed a huge difference across all those facets. So ultimately, switching to fiber made more sense for me because what I was using simply couldn't keep up with all the things that I like to do, and I could tell, right? I could just see that it wasn't working. So hopefully this video helped you understand whether or not you should switch to fiber if any of those things are happening to you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.